So good day, I'm Engineer Tolda and we are Group 3 and we are here to present about the power generation from cold ship generation, diesel generation 1 and diesel generator 2. So first thing to do is go to MD70 which is the emergency generator. Second step is go to start emergency generator on engine control. Then next is switch on the voltage control, then check the voltage and frequency. So let's proceed to Engineer Antonio for other steps.
So this is Engineer Antonio. So the next step is put emergency generator control to auto. And the next step is go to MD73, which is emergency switchboard. And the next step is put all breaker in on pre-dump panels including emergency transformer inlet breaker.
I am Engineer Acuna for the next step. So for the next step, go to MD71, main switchboard, feeders, then put all break in. Then put all breaker in on the main switchboard. And then go to MD72, main switchboard, feeders, then put all in the breakers in.
I am Engineer Deputado Nicolan. So the next step is go to MD40 to start the ER fan number 2, supply and exhaust fans. When it's done, let's move on to preparation of seawater cooling and emergency compressor. So the first step is go to MD01 seawater system. Yes, we need to go to MD01, seawater system. So after that, the next step is open the seawater overboard valve. Yes, we need to open that.
Hello everyone, I'm Engineer Ramboyong. So let's now proceed to the next step. So next, open low suction switches inlet valve. Next is open diesel generator 1 and 2, freshwater coolers, seawater shut-off valve, and also the freshwater coolers number 1. Next is open seawater recirculation line shut-off valve. So next, reporter, please.
So I'm Engineer Safiko, and the next step is number 16. Put temperature control to auto mode. The next step is number 17. Start auxiliary seawater pump. Next step is number 18. Go to MD59 and start air system.
So this is Engineer Rasa, and as for the next step, we need to open the emergency start air receiver inlet valve and outlet valve. Next, we need to open the diesel generator 1 and 2 to start the air supply valve. So as for the next step, we have to put the emergency compressor to local control. So we need to put this on the local control.
Hi, this is Engineer Mobilia, and next part is start emergency compressor by pressing on until receiver pressure to at least 20 bars. Next is put emergency compressor to remote control. Then go to MD75 diesel generator number 1.
Midshipman Deroca representing. Number 25, check the lube oil sump tank level, minimum level 30% and maximum 80%. Number 26, open lube oil filter number 1. Number 27, manually start lube oil priming pump. Next reporter, please.
I am Engineer Milalios. 28. Check the level of expansion tank. Fill up the tank to normal level. If no water flow, go to MD67 and open appropriate valve. 29. Switch on electric preheater with a set point of 75 degrees Celsius. 30. Open number 1 DO filter.
Thank you, Engineer Milalios. I'm Engineer De La Cruz. For the next step is 31. Open pump sanction valve from fuel. Okay? Thirty-two. Go to MD05. HFO service tanks. Okay. Next is 33. Open DO sanction valve from DO service tanks.
So I'm Engineer Kanta J. and Lloyd S. So let's proceed to the number 34. Open DO supply valve to DG 1 and 2. Number 35, go back to MD75 and check start air pressure must be above of 14 bars. Number 36, go to engine control panel and press start. Number 37, observe the changes of all parameters. RPM should be 90500N.
Engineer Meran speaking. The next step is put auto mode the preheater.
Put lube oil priming pump to auto. Put engine control to remote. Go to MD76 diesel generator number 2.
This is Engineer Aguila. Line up diesel generator 2, same as diesel generator 1, then start diesel generator 2. Go to MD70, Electric Power Plant.
Press the voltage control on, off, DG1 and 2. Observe the voltage and frequency. Output requirement should be 440 volts and 60 Hz. Go to MD141, main switchboard, diesel generator 1. Check the frequency and the voltage pressing either RS, ST, TR, and current by pressing either R, S, T.
I am Engineer Valencia, and let's proceed to the next steps. So the next is press synchronous button and select DG1, then connect the breaker. Next step is go to MD01 and start the auxiliary pump again.
This is Midshipman Gaholen, 48. Go to MD72 main switchboard feeders. Main transformer inlet breaker in, go to MD01 and start main SW PNP N1, then put to remote.